Think about what USB-C did for chargers. Before USB-C, every device had its own cable. Your phone had one, your laptop had a different one, your headphones had a third one. Then USB-C came along. One cable, every device. You plug in anything and it just works. MCP did the same thing for AI. Before MCP, connecting Cloud to Gmail required a custom integration. Connecting it to Notion, a different one. Slack, another one. Every connection built from scratch. Fragile, expensive, broke constantly. MCP is the USB-C of AI. One standard, every tool, build once, connect everywhere. Today, what MCP actually is, why every major AI company adopted it in under a year, and what it means for you as someone who uses Claude or ChatGPT every day. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, created by Anthropic, the company behind Claude. In November 2024, simplest way to understand it. AI models like Claude or ChatGPT are great at thinking and writing, but on their own, they only know what they were trained on. They cannot see your emails, they cannot check your calendar, they cannot update your spreadsheet or push code to GitHub. They are trapped inside a chat window. MCP is what lets them out. MCP is an open standard, a shared language that lets any AI connect to any tool. Gmail, Slack, Notion, Google Drive, GitHub, Figma, Jira, and so on. If a tool has an MCP server, Cloud can connect to it and act inside it. Not just read and tell you about it, actually take actions. Send an email, create a task, update a record, push a commit. The problem before MCP, every AI connection was custom built. Claude reading Gmail was a custom integration. Claude updating Notion, a different custom integration. Claude posting to Slack was another one. Developers called this the N times M problem. 10 AI tools times 20 apps, up to 200 individual custom connections, all fragile, all needing separate maintenance, all breaking whenever either side updated. MCP solved this by creating one standard everyone agreed to use. Instead of 200 custom connections, one protocol. Any AI that supports MCP can talk to any tool that has an MCP server. Build it once, it works everywhere. How fast it was adopted. November 2024. Anthropic launches MCP point 2. November 2024. Anthropic launches MCP. 2 million monthly downloads. April 2025, 5 months later, OpenAI adopts it. 22 million downloads. July 2025, Microsoft builds it into Copilot. 45 million downloads. November 2025, AWS adds support. 68 million downloads. March 2026, every major AI company on board. 10,000 plus MCP servers, 97 million downloads. From one company's open standard to the universal infrastructure of all AI. In 16 months, in December 2025, Anthropic donated MCP to the Linux Foundation. Same organization that maintains Linux and Kubernetes, now owned by the whole industry. Not just Anthropic, what it actually looks like in practice. Claude plus Gmail, Find every email I received this week from a client mentioning a deadline. Summarize them and draft a reply to each one. Claude searches your actual inbox, reads the emails, drafts the replies, you review and send. You never left Claude. Claude plus Notion. Find all tasks that have been sitting in progress for more than a week. Write me a status update to send to my team. Claude reads your Notion, identifies the stale tasks, writes the update 30 seconds. What would have taken 15 minutes of switching tabs, Claude code plus GitHub. Fix a bug, Claude reads the codebase, writes the fix, runs tests, pushes the commit. All in one session. No copy and paste, no switching terminals. Codex in the morning. Pulls open issues from Jira, checks relevant Slack threads, looks up spec documents in Google Drive, tells you what to work on today. Before you asked a single question. That is MCP. The AI is not trapped in the chat window anymore. It is inside the system where actual work happens. How to use it in Claude right now? No developer skills needed. Open Claude.ai, click your profile icon bottom left, go to settings, look for integrations or connectors. Connect Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, whatever you use. Click Connect, Authorize, Done. From that point, when you ask Claude about something in those tools, it actually goes and looks, not guesses, actually looks. Connectors available in Claude.ai right now. Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Slack, Notion, GitHub, Jira, HubSpot, and more are being added regularly. MCP Model Context Protocol, the feature that took AI from a chat window to a real working tool. USB-C for AI, one standard, every tool. Launched by Anthropic, every major AI company on board in 16 months. Already inside Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Codex, and 10,000 other tools. If you have not connected Claude to your tools yet, do it today. Settings, integrations, connect Gmail and Google Drive. Ask Claude something you would normally switch apps for. Watch what happens. Which tool do you most want Claude to connect to? What would change your workflow the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. $9 a month, plain English AI every day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more plain English AI every day. See you in the next one.